Yo, YouTube, Crank Gang, 54 here, just coming back with, you know what this is, 2-year anniversary of my, dress, whatever. My bad I ain't been back in a little minute. I've been busy doing stuff with school and stuff. Just got busy. I ain't really had no time to make no video. I ain't really had no reason to make no video, cause, I mean, y'all already know what's going on with my hair or whatever, so, yeah, as you can tell, they longer or whatever. 2 year, my 2 year was yesterday. I'm actually meant to make a video, but for some reason I didn't do it because I was doing something. But I guess I give y'all 360 whatever. Look at it. So it's the side view, right side. Towards the back, right now. Back. You see it. It's getting real long. This side, you can see that it's long. You can see that real long now after 2 years. I mean, of course they're gonna be long now. Yeah, back to the front. Yeah, this I did do one new thing with my dress. A lot of my combined ones, actually all of my combined ones, the two-headed dragons. I cut the if the head was like this with two heads at the end, like that, I cut off one of the heads so it'd just be a long dread. So like this isn't one. That's not even one. But this one right here, this was one. It was a head, another head that was coming out like that, and I just went up the shaft of the dreads with the scissors and just snipped that one off. Actually, I did all of them except for I did all of them on my head except for this one and this one. Those are the only two I didn't do. So I'm probably gonna do those in a minute. There was no real reason why I did it. I was just saw it one day on YouTube and I was like, maybe I should try it. So ended up doing one, ended up doing like 10 other ones. And, it was a reason why I did it. It was easier for me to put in the ponytail, so yeah, that. But I mean they pretty long now. That's really the only thing different I'm doing with it. I did my hair about a week, 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, something like that. I can't remember. You can tell it probably looked like I did it a month ago, even if I did it a couple weeks ago, because I don't sleep with nothing on my head. So I mean, you don't sleep with nothing on your head, I guess it'll make your dress come undone easily. But you can tell that, I mean, they really long now. I mean, if I pull one, I mean, like this, you can tell, you can see that's pretty long. It's pretty long, you know. It's another one, let's see here. Maybe like this one. You can tell that's pretty long. You know, I'm gonna touch my chin with that. It's pretty long. Yeah, they all getting pretty long now. I don't think I'm a dime. Just leave it how it is. More videos coming soon, y'all. I'm sorry I was gone, but yeah. 2-year anniversary. Lock still going strong. Crank Cake, I'm still here. Just ready to get through this last semester of school. Back to the summertime. Yeah, but I'm gonna holler at y'all later, alright? And Happy New Year to everybody. Merry Christmas or whatever. Sorry I'm a couple of days late. But it's nice to see y'all. Crank Cake 54 out.